What's up guys and girls? In today's video, I'll be doing a review of LinkBoss. So LinkBoss is a tool which uses NLP and AI to allow you to integrate internal links into your articles. So if you have article pages or website pages and you have no links, that's internal or external, you can use this tool to quickly include those links. So when you're first signing up for LinkBoss, you need to add your site. Once you add your site, you then need to head over into your WordPress or whatever CMS you're using. I think it's probably easier if you have WordPress. And then what you need to do is add a WordPress plugin, which is LinkBoss. And once you add the plugin, you head over to settings. And then you'll get an API key from LinkBoss. And then under, don't want to share that API key. But under API key, you want to enter that API key that you get back from LinkBoss. So that will essentially sync all the data from your website onto LinkBoss. And once you sync it, you can head over to tools. So these are link building tools, etc. So for example, if I want to build an inbound link, I can enter that target URL, click submit, and it's going to show me links that are related to that article. So it's very easy and takes away the manualness of having to insert internal links. So for example, I see this article here, unlocking the potential of B lender mortgage rates in Toronto. If I click on this, I can see the strength of how semantically related that article is to my original article. So for example, and it will actually show me exactly where it can include that link. So it's pretty cool. I can view the content. It will show me exactly where I can include that link. And then I can click submit and click update. So it's going to take about 60 seconds. And if I go into that article, I will then go ahead and be able to see that internal link. So very, very cool. Let me just scroll down. I honestly don't even remember where it entered that content, but it should be within the article. So again, very, very cool and very easy way for you to include your internal links. I'm very impressed by this tool. If you have a couple of different websites, then I highly recommend checking it out. They do have a lifetime deal currently available. So the lifetime deal is $87. This is the starting plan. You get 200 credits per month. I believe one credit is when you insert one link. You get 2 sites, so you can actually connect up to 2 sites, and your credits will automatically refill each month. I think this is going to be good for most users, and it's actually a really good pricing. A one-time payment of $87. If you have a bigger website portfolio, or if you're an agency, then maybe you want to go ahead with the popular plan, which is $497. This gives you 20 sites, or the gold plan, which is only 10 sites. So again, I think you can't go wrong with a deal like this, paying one time, and you get a lot of really useful features, especially if you're a blogger, website owner, or you're trying to rank better or increase your on-page optimization. You can use this tool to automate your link building. So you can do inbound, you can also do outbound. So again, if I want to enter that, I can enter that link, and it will give me an idea for the links, and then I can go ahead and create more outbound links for this. So it takes a little bit of playing and getting used to using this tool, but as you can see, it's very, very powerful and very easy to use. There's also some other options. You can create silos. You can bulk auto internal link, and you can also bulk, there's a 2.0 version, Anchor Manager, which allows you to remove or modify anchor text. You get report, link report, and site visualizer, which allows you to visualize the interlinking structure of your website. So if you're really worried about your on-page optimization, if you're really worried about improving your link juice, then this is going to be the tool for you. So again, I'll leave a link for the lifetime deal in the description below today's video, but I wanted to let you guys know that they are running a lifetime deal for Black Friday. So if you haven't grabbed this tool before, you can start by getting a free trial. So this is my free trial. And then if you like it, you can always upgrade to a paid plan. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.